tastes like summer. It sounds like a perfectly harmonious rhythm. It looks like color. It feels like the night we knew that it would be different.
Sobrang kaba ko talaga kanina, but I was really excited. Na sabi ko sa sarili ko, hindi ako iiyak. Ganon. Pero nung pagbukas ng door, kinabahan ako, tapos umiyak talaga ako. Muntik na nga ako mapatid. Buti hindi natuloy.
This feels like two friends. This feels like two friends falling in love. This feels so human. This feels like two friends falling in love. It started with madness. It ended with the best
Love
time
of the man and the love of the woman becomes perfect when it is sealed by the grace of God.
And now we know that we can never look back. This feels like growing up.
Bagay ba maging presidente?
Two kids making it up. This feels like growing up. This feels like two friends falling in love. This feels like two friends. This feels like two friends falling in love. This feels so human. This feels like two friends falling in love. It started with madness. It ended with
Yung first ever namin na nagkakilala was grade 6 ako. Tapos siya third year high school. So, hindi ko alam na siya yun.
Siyempre, nung nakita ko siya, parang, wow, sino to? Kasi lahat ng mga kabatchmates ko nagkakagusto sa kanya. So, nung time na yun, siyempre, ang lagi kong iniisip, ay, she's out of my league, baka siguro in the next life na lang. Pag ganun.
Naka-add ba si Royce? Made of honor.
Maybe, maybe. I've been
Knowing you is like, parang nostalgic kasi parang nakilala ko na siya from before. Parang soulmate, yung ganun.
Teka lang, nakilala ko na siya noon pa. Ganun, parang what do you call this? Like soulmates connection, ganun. So, ayun, nagkakilala kami. Tapos, may crush ako sa kanya.
Will you hold me fast asleep, baby?
Nakabahan ako. Pinakita ko sa kanya yung mga pictures ko. Tapos sabi ko, tingnan mo, ito yung varsity jacket ko dati. Parang pinakita ko lang yung bomber jacket ko na black and yellow. Sabi niya, teka lang, ikaw yung nakita ko dun sa Starbucks. Sabi niya yung maingay. Tapos naka-purple na shirt na may star. So, ako talaga yun. So, alam mo yun, parang sabi ko, wow, talagang small world.
Jesus said to his disciples, "As the Father has loved me, so I have loved you. Remain in my love. If you keep my commandments, you will remain in my love."
Tanda mo pa ba kung kailan at saan tayo unang
Sinabi din niya sa akin na may gusto na pala siya sa akin before. Hindi ko alam. Pero I guess kaya din nangyari yan kasi right place at the right time. Siguro kung before na nasabi yun, right place at the wrong time kasi nung time na yun may jowa ako.
ang daan
Lord, sana mahanap ko na yung para sa akin after college. Sana matangkad siya, sana maputi siya, sana pogi siya, sana may dimples siya, marunong mag-guitar. So yun, natupad naman lahat. Ayun, so alam kong siya talaga yun kasi nasagot naman ni Lord yun sa akin. Ayun.
Tinaharana, di makatulog sa ating panahon.
Oh, thank you, Lexie!
Pwede ba tayong bumalik?
Here we are na. This is it. I feel very happy. I feel very, it's like a dream come true. Parang lahat ng positive thing na nang mangyayari andito to sa araw na to.
Paborito ko ang iyong ngiti.
Kahit minsan lang tayo magsama, at least kumapit kayo dito sa special day. Appreciate it.
Di baling sila'y nakatingin. Sa'yo rin naman aking pansin.
There's no words to describe it. It's like really happy lang. Like just happy. Parang hindi ko matanggal yung ngiti sa mukha ko.
Naaalala mo pa ba ang ating unang pagkikita? Kislap sa ating mata tuwing tayo magkalapit. Di matagong ka pa sa tuwing ikaw.
Paul, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Michael, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
I want you to love your wife and be a good, loving husband. And may God bless your union and always be happy. We love you.
Di matagong ka pa sa tuwing ikaw ay naharana. Di makatulog sa ating pananapin.
Michael, that you have been waiting for this moment, you can now give that traditional kiss for your wife. Palakpakan po natin sila.